Like I mentioned in the previous tutorial, I think the arrangement track is Apple's way of making our arrangement trick with folders a little more elegant, to the point, and streamlined. And Apple wouldn't be Apple if they wouldn't come up with a better, more elegant solution for our use of folders themselves too, and they did. So let's go ahead and see what they came up with. Again, we have a little arrangement here, and I've taken out all the colors because we no longer need those for this. Just a couple tracks. Normally you would just go ahead and select anything you would want to put together in a folder to be able to maybe edit them, and go to the right click menu and do pack folder, or maybe do it from the functions menu over here at the bottom, pack folder, and that would put them all together. But a new and faster way to do this is just by selecting the tracks you want to put together in the track list by option clicking them and put them in a track stack. That command is found in the track menu, new in Logic Pro. There you go, you can create track stack. This will give us a couple options in a dialog, and one of them would be to put these tracks all together in a folder type track stack, which we can then use to move them around or edit them, etc. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll go create track stack, and there's the dialog. Which track stack type do you want to create? Well, we're going to go to summing track a little later. Let's first look at the folder stack, and I'll go create, and then I'll put these tracks inside a folder track. Only this time it won't be named after the first MIDI track in our list. Let's go ahead and see what it will be called. It's going to be called sub 2 in this case, because I've done it before. In the background, this track has a little arrow that I can click to open up the track, and they're all there. Everything we wanted to put inside of there. It's got its own fader, a folder track, nothing special going on there, just a volume fader that you can also automate. And when you close up the folder track stack, you get these little folders that you can edit, in this case with my Marquee tool, just like we saw with the old way of using folders. So that is the folder track stack. Let's go ahead to the next tutorial and see what that summing track stack is all about.